How to delete YouTube subscriptions quickly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to quickly delete or unsubscribe from YouTube channels, follow the simple guide. So if you're on desktop, go to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on subscriptions from the left-hand side of the screen. Access your subscribed channels. Click on Manage at the top right of your subscription feed and then go to Manage Subscriptions page. Hover over any channel you wish to unsubscribe from and then click on Subscribed button. From the drop-down menu, click on Unsubscribe and you'll be done. But if you want to quickly unsubscribe from all the channels, you can use browser extensions. Open a new tab, type in Google extensions, go to Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar type in YouTube Mass Unsubscribe. You will find an extension that is YouTube Unsubscribe All. Add this to your Chrome and try using it. These extensions help you unsubscribe from multiple channels at once. Before unsubscribing, consider organizing your subscriptions, and you might want to remove inactive channels or those you no longer watch. You can also use Google Takeout to export your subscription list before making changes. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.